This looks pretty cool.
What did you do to your gun?
What's going on, guys? Pitbull D45 here today, and I might be ruining my rifle. So first thing I did was tape off anything that I didn't want painted. We are going to use the dish soap method. If I don't get it perfect, guys, I don't really care. I'm not going to scuff this up, because if I don't like it, I'm going to try and take it off. I have watched a bunch of videos where guys claim that they can take off all the paint. I'm not really getting anything off of this, but it doesn't hurt to do it. I use brake cleaner to degrease it. Your first coat, you want to be very light. Oh boy. No turning back now. Make sure you get the underside. Very windy today too. I picked a great day to do this. And make sure you get everything. And then when that's done, I'm going to flip it over, do a light coat on the other side. And then I'll do my second coat, which will be a little bit more. Alright, side number 2. Again, I'm not trying to cover everything. I'm just trying to mist it on. The next coat will be heavier. I'll have to get under the flip up sights too after it dries. Alright, coat number 2. Very windy out today too, like I said. I apologize if you can hear it in the mics. This one's a little bit heavier. You want to try and spray from different angles. Hopefully get everything. I'm adamantly against painting rifles. I don't know why. I don't care that other people do it. I just have this thing in my head saying that the factory finish should be left alone. So why am I doing it? So Nothing Fancy has a philosophy. There's like two stages, like second type of cool. So the first type of cool is that it works and it's what you need it, and then the second type of cool is you're doing it because you like it, or you buy it because you like it, not necessarily for the function. So why am I doing mine? I do think there might be a time when I have to blend in with foliage to protect my family, and it's not necessarily against the government. I don't believe that I could go up against the United States military and possibly even think to come out alive. Nor am I trying to overthrow the government or anything like that, but I do think that there are hard times coming and that I might need to blend in more with my environment. So that's why I'm doing it. I think if you're a Bible believer, you look and you see in Revelations that there are hard times coming. Whether you believe in pre-rapture tribulation or post-rapture tribulation, it's better to be prepared either way. So with the economy and everything going the way it is, and the political climate, we've never been more divided before between conservatives and liberals. There doesn't seem to be a middle ground anymore. So I do think there might be a time when I have to be in foliage and From what I understand from combat vets that I know, you try and blend in with your environment, whether it be in the desert or the forest or snow or whatever. Black sticks out. Black is not normal for nature. Like, black just doesn't naturally occur in straight lines, so that's why I'm doing it. All right, it's been 10 minutes since this side. Turn it over, finish it. Again, I'm trying to get different angles to make sure everything is covered with the base coat. It for 10 or 15 minutes and then come back and start the process with the Dawn dish soap. Alright, so this is a little bag that oranges came in. I'm just going to try and see if, before I put the dish soap on, if that will give any type of effect. And again, I think if I'm not happy with this, then it will be okay, because I can redo it. So what I saw said V patterns. This is olive drab. So let's see what this does. That's kind of cool. Here's the part that's kind of scary to me. So my understanding is like 60% of the color that should be showing is the tan. So we just kind of do one of these deals. And this is why it's on the blocks, because man, I hope I did that all right. Because of the dripping, you don't want it to pool under it. My wife's going to kill me for using her dish soap too. Oh, camera girl, what she doesn't know can't hurt me, right? Let's see. All right, here we go. Now you're just supposed to cover everything. So, like I said, most people that I've seen take the soap off first from the other layers, but I think that's just, you're just covering up what you did a lot of times. So I'm just adding more on top of what I did. And we'll see what it does. Again, this is the brown, so it shouldn't be a lot on it anyways, right? So I think I'm just going to kind of do one of these deals. See what that does. This side is largely untouched. There is a little bit of drip from the other side already, so that might make a cool effect. I don't know. We'll have to see. Man, so here we go. think I might have a little bit more control over the spread of this time. Again, you want half to 60% of the tan to show, from what I understand. So we'll start with the olive drab again. Now this time, I'm going to go on the bottom just a little bit and the top just a little bit. Again, we're wanting to make sure we get every angle. So 15 minutes, let that sit, then I'll do the brown and do the brown. I'll be very sparingly with the brown. So I'm just kind of trying to break up some of this that I see that is still real light. Let me look at the top. And I think that's all I'm going to do. All right, boys and girls, let's see if I hate this rifle or not. Yeah, what's going on with my water? Got a kink or something. Come on, water. There it is, guys. I like this side better than the other side, but the other side didn't look bad either. It did some cool effects that I didn't expect. A little bit of the snake skin stayed on. You see it a few places. Yeah, so let me know what you think. That's pretty cool. Guys, I appreciate you watching. God bless you. God bless America. This is Pitbull D45, and I'm out.